Hello, this is Kathy Biker from Central Texas Technology Center, and this is worksheet number 2 for our review for Chapter 8. So let's start off with the first problem here, and we have a multiplication problem with fractions, which means we do not have to get to a common denominator. We just need to factor everything and cancel out the common factors. So I'm going to rewrite the first fraction because there's nothing really to factor in that one. But the top is a trinomial which can be factored, and we have n, and because the last sign is a plus, we look back and it goes plus plus, and 5 times 3 is 15. The outside is 3n, the inside is 5n, so together we have 8n. And the bottom stays n plus 3. So at this point here, these two will cancel, and these two will cancel, and all I'm left with is 6. Let's look at the second problem. This is a division problem, so I'm going to rewrite it as a multiplication problem. This is divided by this, so if I multiply, it's 1 over 9a squared minus 1. Now, since it's a multiplication problem, I can factor it. So the top, I'm going to take out a common factor of 12, 3a minus 1 over 16 times 1 over 3a minus 1 times 3a plus 1. Well, I can cancel here and here, and I'm left with 12 on top. 12 times 1 is 12, and on the bottom I have 16 times 3a plus 1. But I still have a common factor in these two. 4 goes in this one 3 times, and 4 goes in this one 4 times. So my final answer is 3 over 4 times 3a plus 1. That's my final answer for number 2. Number 3 is a complex fraction, and it is 3x plus 7 over 24 divided by 3x plus 7 over 6. I'm going to change it to a division problem. 3x plus 7 over 24 divided by 3x plus 7 over 6, which can be rewritten as a multiplication problem. 3x plus 7 over 24 times 6 over 3x plus 7. I have to invert the second fraction when I multiply. So I'm going to cancel like factors, and 6 and 24 have a common factor of 6. So my final answer is everything on top is canceled, so I have a 1 over 4. So 1/4 is my answer. And number 4 says find the LCD for this fraction and for this one, 11 over 6x cubed y. It does not say to add them or change the fractions. It just says find the LCD. All right, the LCD is every factor and the most times it's under one fraction. So here I have a 6 and a 24, and they both divide into 24. So 24 is my lowest common denominator constant. I have an x cubed and an x cubed, so I'll put x cubed. And here I have y squared and y, so I take the largest, y squared. So my lowest common denominator is 24x cubed y squared. This is the end of worksheet number 2 of our review for Chapter 8.